Hello guys, welcome back with my new video. In this video, I am going to tell you how to fix a Snapchat sound not working. So guys, if you have this type of problem, any sound is not working on Snapchat, then I'll help you how to fix this problem. So guys, you can easily fix this problem. So let's start without wasting any time. So guys, simply first of all, you need to open your Snapchat app, click on your main profile, and guys after clicking on main profile you need to click on settings, and guys after clicking on it you need to scroll down and scroll down, and guys here you need to find the option of cache or storage. So guys wait for a few seconds for finding it. So guys here you can see here is the option of clear cache. So guys simply you need to click on it and click on continue, and guys after doing this you need to go back. The second method is you need to open your settings, scroll down, click on app management and click on app list, and guys after this here you need to find Snapchat app. So guys after finding Snapchat you need to click on Snapchat, and guys after this you need to click on storage and cache, and click on clear cache, and guys after doing this you need to go back. And guys third method is you need to update your Snapchat. So guys how can you update? Simply you need to open your Play Store, and here you need to search Snapchat, and guys after this you need to click on Snapchat and you need to update from here. Here you can see the option of update. So guys simply you need to update from here, and after doing update your problem will be fixed, and you will be able to you will be able to fix your sound on Snapchat. So guys hope you like this video. If you like this video please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.